Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be looking at DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT AI, and we want to see which is better because the main people will be asking the question, is DeepSeek AI better than ChatGPT or is ChatGPT better? So we're about to find out. We're going to compare them. Now, to determine whether DeepSeek or ChatGPT is better depends entirely on the specific use case, the requirements and context in which the AI is being used. So here's a breakdown to help you decide, because ultimately the answer, final answer lies in your hands. We can only provide you the facts. Now, when DeepSeek might be better, when can we say DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT? One, when you're talking about domain specific expertise. That is, if you need an AI for specialized tasks in industries, domain specific expertise. If you need an AI for specialized tasks in industries like healthcare, finance, or education, DeepSeek is likely better because it is designed to handle complex industry specific data with high accuracy. For example, if you need to analyze medical images, predict financial trends, or create personalized learning plans, DeepSeek is better for it. Then, if you're looking for precision and accuracy, DeepSeek is optimized for precision in its target domains, which makes it more reliable for tasks requiring deep expertise. Then we're looking at multimodal capabilities. If your application requires processing multiple types of text, for example, text and images, DeepSeek may offer better integration for such tasks. Then when it comes to enterprise use, DeepSeek is likely better suited for businesses or industries that need tailored AI solutions for specific workflows. Now, when is ChatGPT better? 1. General purpose use. If you need an AI for a wide range of tasks such as content creation, casual conversations, coding, assistance, or answering general questions, ChatGPT is the better choice. For example, writing essays, brainstorming ideas, or providing customer support, ChatGPT is better. Then, if you look at the area of versatility, ChatGPT is highly versatile and can handle a broad spectrum of topics, making it ideal for users who need a jack of all trades AI. Then, the third part we're going to look at is ability. You see, ChatGPT is widely available to the public through OpenAI's platforms, making it easier for individuals and small businesses to access and use. When it comes to the ease of use, ChatGPT is designed for general users and does not require specialized knowledge to operate, unlike DeepSeek, which may require industry-specific expertise. So let's look at our key considerations. Accuracy versus versatility. Now, DeepSeek is more accurate in specialized domains, while ChatGPT is more versatile but less precise in niche areas. Let's look at the target audience. DeepSeek is geared towards enterprises and industries, while ChatGPT is accessible to the general public. Let's look at cost and accessibility. ChatGPT is more widely available and may be more cost effective for general users, whereas DeepSeek may require custom solutions and higher costs for enterprise use. So in conclusion, choose DeepSeek if you need a highly specialized AI for industry-specific tasks requiring precision and expertise, and choose ChatGPT if you need a general-purpose AI for a wide range of tasks, especially if you value versatility and accessibility. So neither is inherently better. It all depends on your specific needs. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.